Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Dyson Groom Tool for Dogs.
Number 5.
Keep Groom Tool Dog Pet Cleaning Brush. This Dyson brush attachment suits for most long and medium-haired dogs and other animals. The Dyson Pet Groom Tool can remove gently but effectively loosen dog hair before it is shed around the home. Using grooming tool to remove dead skin cells to improve pet's coat condition. The adapter and grooming tool are compatible with Dyson V7, V8, V10 Animal Vacuum Cleaner. Guaranteed 30 days money back, 24 hours online service. Any question, please feel free to contact us.
Number 4.
Dyson Tangle Free Turbine. Note: the Tangle Free Turbine tool is compatible with all Dyson upright and canister. This is an OEM authorized part. Fits various Dyson models. On part number 925,067-06. This is a Dyson replacement part.
Number 3.
The Kifit Pet Groomer Tool Dog Cat Hair Cleaner Brush. Premium quality replacement pet grooming tool compatible with Dyson V7, V8, V10 Fluffy, V10 Absolute. This groom tool is a new way for dog owners to keep their home clean. Captures allergens during grooming, removes dead skin cells, improving coat condition. This groom tool removes loose hair directly from your dog before it's shed around the home. Captured hair is then sucked hygienically away into your vacuum cleaner. Mess-free vacuum-assisted pet grooming.
Number 2.
Electro-Pane Dyson Groom Cat Dog Pet Tool Brush. Replacement Dyson Groomer / Dyson Dog Groom Vacuum Attachment for long and medium hair dogs. Replacement Dyson Dog Grooming Attachment is suitable for medium or long hair dogs. Dyson Groom Tool can captures allergens during grooming your dog cat. Dyson Dog Hair Attachment removes dead skin cells, improving coat condition. Dyson Dog Brush Attachment is flexible and durable, works with.
Number 1.
Dabixx Dog Pet Groom Tool. Size: internal diameter 30 mm, brush head size 10 cm, 10 cm. Suitable for groom tool, suitable for medium or long hair dogs. Advantage: captures allergens during grooming. Features: mess-free vacuum-assisted dog grooming. Suction is split during grooming. Package includes 1X Pet Brush Groom Tool,